Hello and welcome to Logos College Online Learning. This is Ajarn Toto. Today we're going to continue your homework review, and this is going to be about Unit 19 and Unit 34. 1934. Unit 19, sorry. Unit 19 was about two sounds. But I taught you 3 sounds because British English and American English, these 2 sounds are very different from each other because remember, Americans, they like to pronounce the R sound, right? The R, the R. So the British says, like this sound, the British says it like this. But United States, you say right? Here, the British say aw. But Americans, we like to say or, right? Or. In American phonetics, this is the aw, like law, ball, wall sound, right? And this is the or sound. So the like fur, shirt, were, burn, and heard. Your lips should look like that. All right, your flare, and your tongue pulls back and up. All right, back and up is key to making this sound. Right. And then the aw sound. This is the aw. Your jaw drops, your lips flare out, and the tongue pulls back. Aw. Right. But then notice how in the US we like to add the R sound. We say or. The tongue pulls back more and the jaw drops less. So let's practice that. Aw, or. Notice when you add the sound, you pull the tongue back even further. All right, your homework was pretty short, pretty simple homework on this one. This was in your book, right? You had to write the words based on their phonetic spelling. This is the sound with the aw, for, b, all, ball, wall, awful. Right. Shirley asked them to leave. The next day this was returned, returned. And then again for this is third day. Shirley, again the sound, thought. Shirley thought, and then she had a clever idea. She gave the girls. A lot of people forgot the zzz. Girls, some money. Right. This is to pay you for getting rid of the dirty birds, she explained. Good work. The following day, the girls called at the door and asked for and more money. Shirley refused. The girls were angry. We're not working for free, they said, and they never came back. There's your answer is that. The next one. So I needed you to find 5 more words with the sound and 7 more words with the aw sound. Sorry. Number 2, the first word, turn. Sorry. Next one, what we got? Heard. Okay. Here's another word over here. Course. or sound, course. All right. You have another one, war. It's right here, war. All right. You have another one, sort, S-O-R-T. I think a lot of you forgot the T. Sort. You have another one, more, down here, M-O-R-E. Turn, heard, word, W-O-R-D. Sort, we already got. Her, H-E-R, girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Okay. M-O-R-E, we already got. S-A-W, aw, saw. 7, L-A-W, law. All right. H-E-A-R-D is part of heard, so then the only letters left are these right here. A-L-L. Aw. All right, so there's your answers to Unit 19. Unit 19 homework. Okay. All right, the last part was we did Unit 34. Unit 34 homework. And this talked about more of syllable stress, but mainly it talked about stress on the verbs, on the verb to be. All right. We normally don't stress the verb be, but there's 3 times when we do stress the verb be. All right. It's when it's in a negative contraction, when it's at the end of a sentence, or when we want to show disagreement. All right, let's take a look at your exercise. Unit 34. Okay. So this one, you had to listen to the audio and then choose what you hear. Okay? So let's listen to that audio together. Oops, sorry, it was at B73.
34.3. 1,
People are angry.
2,
Alice was here.
3,
Your face was dirty.
4,
The birds were singing.
5,
The books are cheap.
6,
The fish are dying.
7,
The place was nice.
8,
Paris is nice.
9,
The children are tired.
10,
My friends were coming.
34.4.
All right, I'm going to pause that right there, okay? So there's your answers to exercise B73. That's slide number 2, okay? This was pretty simple. The one that was hard was number 9. The children are tired. The children were tired. B73, number 1. Let me get the answers for you. Number 1, it said his parents are rich. Okay. Number 2, the birds were singing. Number 3, the beach is crowded. Number 4, the children are home. And number 5, he was going out at the weekend. He was going out at the weekend. Okay. Number 6, answers for you. The dog was called. Number 7, the car was very expensive. 8, the drinks are free on this flight. Number 9, the weather was terrible. Number 10, the banks are closed on Saturday. All right, so there's your answers to that slide. Sound pair. All right, this is or aw or or. Number 1 through 7. I'm going to give you the answers, and then we're going to listen to them together. All right. Number 1 was S. Number 2 was S, same. I think people were still writing the words. I don't know why. All I have to do is same or different, SS or D. Right. I guess some people just don't understand still. That's fine. That's why you're here to learn. All right, SS, S, D, D, S, D. The words they said. Number 8 was bored. Number 9, sir. Number 10, short. 11 was first. 12, we walked all day. Okay, so now you know the answers. Let's listen to the audio. Where are you? Oops. Oh, good. Great. Wonderful. Luckily, I have backup.
Sound pair 26.
Worked, walked. Shirt, short. Burn, born. Bird, bored.
1. Worked, worked. 2. Shirt, shirt. 3. Born, born. 4. Bored, bird. 5. Worked, walked. 6. Short, short. 7. Burn, born. 8.
Bored.
9.
Sir,
10.
short.
11.
You weren't first to do it.
12.
We walked all day.
Okay, so hopefully that helped you see what you got wrong or right, and that you can distinguish the and the aw sound. All right, aw, or Americans say or. Okay, that's unit 34. Oh, we got this. Let's go do this real quick. I gave you these down here. You can copy and paste. Okay. This sound, ia, hears. This, I'm sorry, ea, hairs. This is ia, beas, hairs, You probably, this is the word. I'm sorry, give me 1 second. Throat is hurting. Okay, I had to get some water. Sorry. All right, we're back. Let's look at this H sound. H, d. Heard. Heard. You could have done it like this if you wanted to. You didn't have to. All right. That. Okay. Or you can just type it in. It's up to you. This is heard. Another word that ends at odd. Odd is card. All right, you guys have to be careful here because you notice I know you might have just forget, but the phonetic alphabet doesn't have the letter C. That sound is made with the phonemic symbol K. All right, k, cod. All right, k or court. This is the sound, the t sound. Court, court. All right. Let's come back up here. Oh, we can come here. Aw. Another word has the aw sound. Is this port or port? All right. paste that again. You have the t sound. Over here you have the p sound. Port. All right. Here you have ought, heart. There you go. You have heart. All right. Hers. Some people wrote the S sound. That's wrong. It's not hus, it's hers. All right. So it's a z sound, all right? Ea, as, hairs, bears. All right, the word is bears. And you need the b phoneme to make bears. And then this is the ia sound, beard. Okay, there you go. There's your answers to that slide right there. Okay, homework. So this homework is your last one that I'm going to give you for online learning, and it's your sixth one, and it's due on June 9th. All right, June 9th. So you have 2 weeks to do this homework. It'd be nice if you could do it before 2 weeks so that I have plenty of time to grade it and get ready for you guys. You guys are coming back into the classroom the week after that. Okay. Here, let's do this one together. This is the phonemic spelling, and you need to find the word. All right. Ski, this is, remember this sound? J. J. Jump. Jumping. So this is ski. Jumping. Right? And these are here to help you. We'll do one more. The dishes. This is the w. Oh. This is the sh sound over there. And then ing. Washing the dishes. Okay. So I'll let you finish that. Here, this is your list of words. You use them one time each, okay? And you only put them in these boxes that are white. Don't put anything in the black boxes. Notice the example they give you. Boy is b, and the sound oi. Remember the sound oi? Boy. All right. This is sound oi, sound or. This sound ia, here, right? This is ea, like in the word hair. Oop. Don't put hair there. Hair comes over here. It starts with the letter H over there. And this is the hair. Right? So over here, the words have to start with these letter sounds. All right? Remember, this is the sh sound. All right? And this is the I sound. All right? I don't know if you remember the I sound. So with the W, Y. Right. There you go. And over, this is the E sound, right? E. P. What word has the P? E. P. There we go, P. Okay, sorry. I'll let you finish that. This is sound pair 16. O and oo. So these are very different sounds. So this one should be pretty easy. O and oo. Remember, listen. If they're the same, write S. If they're different, write D. Sound pair 21. All right, this one is going to be hard. All right, I want to give you guys a difficult one. This sound is, remember, This sound is All right. Okay, this one. All right. So here I'm going to read it to you, the ones that I picked. All right. And I need you to listen. All right. listen, and then you check and then check which one where the verb is always a separate syllable, right? So here we checked this one. Why? Because lunch is ready. Over here, you read it like this: dinner's ready. All right. So notice I didn't say dinner is ready. I said dinner's ready. All right. Here you say lunch is ready. Dinner's ready. Lunch is ready. All right. So I'm going to read this to you, and then I need you to pick which ones I say. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to say both of these. One, I'm going to say A and B. And you have to listen. And then you pick which one, which sentence that the verb is, the word is said separately. Ready? Number one. We'll do number one together, all right? The house is cold. The room's cold. The house is cold. The room's cold. So this one, you would pick number one. All right, I said, the house is cold. The room's cold. All right. So here is a separate syllable. The house is cold. The room's cold. Okay, number two. Please listen carefully. Oops. All right. The taxi's here. The bus is here. The taxi's here. The bus is here. The taxi's here. The bus is here. Number three. The beach is crowded. The park's crowded. The beach is crowded. The park's crowded. The beach is crowded. The park's crowded. Number four. The steak's good. The fish is good. The steak's good. The fish is good. Number five. The meaning's clear. The message is clear. The meaning's clear. The message is clear. The meaning's clear. The message is clear. Number six. The smell's awful. The noise is awful. The smell's awful. The noise is awful. The smell's awful. The noise is awful. Number seven. Juice is good for you. Juice is good for you. Juice is good for you. Fruit's good for you. Juice is good for you. Fruit's good for you. Juice is good for you. Fruit's good for you. Okay, so you had to listen to that audio, and then you pick which one where is always a separate syllable. Okay, that's it for your homework. I'm going to send this out to you later tonight, or actually I'm going to send it out to you today. And it's due June 9th, okay? June 9th, okay? Okay, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Please do your homework. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in class next month. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.